Hey you! Yes you! Stop what you are doing right now! Do you have extra space on your Christmas tree for one last tree ornament? Then watch this video to the end for the link to download your very own 3D printed Christmas Minion ornament. That's right! It's a Christmas Minion ornament that you 3D print yourself. So cute! Much wow! But one problem. It's naked. You'll have to paint it yourself. But that's part of the fun. Maybe make it a new tradition. Create your own mini Minion factory. The files come in two versions. Print it as one piece with supports. Or print it into pieces for easier printing. Then just glue the two halves together, sand, primer, and paint. And voila! You're done! Isn't it awesome? So adorable! And the best part of this is, it's a free file to download. In the spirit of giving, just check the description for the link. If you don't have a 3D printer, forward this video to a friend that does. Or tag them in the comment section. Save this video in your favorites to remind yourself to 3D print it. Thank you everyone, and I hope you have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.